Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for Android versus Cyborg theme in Dress to Impress for free. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, the first one guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and then you're going to color it with this color code. You can copy this color code, and then the next one I'm going to go to this area and then I'm going to wear this shirt. Okay, then we're going to apply this pattern. Just apply the same pattern to all the items. Okay, and I'm going to choose this item as well, apply the same pattern and this glove, and then we're going to remove the fur. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, the next one we're going to choose this one as well guys, sorry I forgot. Okay, then apply the same pattern and then we're going to wear this pant. Okay, and then I'm going to apply the same pattern and I'm going to wear stocking as well, this one, and apply the same pattern. Okay, then for the shoe I'm going to choose this one, apply the same pattern for all the previews. Okay, like this. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room or the changing room and we're going to wear the code item. We're going to wear the skirt and of course apply the same pattern for all the selection we have here. Okay, it's done. And then I'm going to choose an accessory from here, this one. Okay, for the first selection I'm just going to apply the same blue color. Oops, sorry. For the first selection I'm going to apply the same pattern. For the next selection I'm going to make it blue. Okay, and I'm going to make it blue and blue. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create outfit for the Android versus Cyborg theme in Dress to Impress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.